Records. Docteur Jeff Jadi, les détas, don des dieux.
No, can you please pour it in front of everything else? Alright.
Oko misingate, igela coiffe ikote.
Papa na Kerwan, éternel Kenaya.
Bon. Oh, chérie, je pas chez ni pour les hommes.
C'est aussi sexy pour les femmes. Dans ces cas, on y va.
Oh. Ok.
N'oubliez pas, c'est Bindou Bio pour les enfants.
Eh ben oui, dans ces cas, on y va.
Hugues la Coifficoté, votre salon de coiffure sur la Nationale 3 au pavillon sous-bois.
Salon Hugues la Coifficoté. C'est aussi pour les femmes.
Hugues la Coifficoté, votre salon de coiffure sur la Nationale 3 au pavillon sous-bois. Ouvert tous les jours de 9h à 20h, même les jours fériés. Plus d'informations au 01 41 55 00 00 ou sur le www.huguelacoifficoté.com. Hugues la Coifficoté, l'homme qui coiffe la ville.
Salon Hugues la coiffe Icoté, c'est vraiment sexy pour les femmes.
Nous les hommes, on manque les mots. Pour les enfants, pitou-piou, il dort. Trop de niki-niki.
Chikicha, chikicha, cha cha. Et moi state, moi Europe, moi partout dans le monde. Opération Pesandako Valeur. Pour tous vos travaux de réparation, design ou décoration intérieure et remodélation de vos maisons, contactez Pat Art Design. Pat Art Design met à vos services décoration intérieure avec la technologie de pointe. Montage des meubles de télévision, montage des plafonds, décoration des murs, décoration de vos chambres, réparation, peinture, carreaux, bois, réparation des murs et tapis. Pour tout contact, appelez Pat Art au numéro WhatsApp ou télé +1 34 77 48 87 61 ou au +1 90 39 52 60 99. Pat Art Design avec peu de moyens. Vivez l'atmosphère paradisiaque dans vos maisons. Mbongo Ike Kaka, papa, maman, jeune, elenge, c'est Pela. Kebananda kuna ya États-Unis, ya Europe et comme lokola Bakajuma. Na mbongo muke penga Pat Art Design okozala satisfait.
Ou soit contactez Congo Promo au 774 578 75 63.
Onyokwamaki, osufraki. Habit de confiance dans la famille, okokaki kotonganda côté. Et oui, voici la solution. Fini les tracasseries. Parce qu'avec des caisses construction, rêve na yo kotonganda ke kokisami. Yoka bien. Des caisses construction, entreprise moko spécialisée, expérimentée na construction ya ba immeuble, bâtiment, maison bandako ya ndenge nyonso okoki kotonga yango na D4 construction. Ata ozangi terrain, ata oza na projet ya kosomba ya kobongisa mpo ya koluka ndako, D4 construction ezali spécialisé na matière wana. Olingi kobongisa immeuble na yo, olingi kobongisa ndako na yo, olingi pe kotonga ba immeuble quartier mobimba, eza spécialité ya D4 construction. Contactez biso sans serveur na D4 construction. Toza na ba architecte na ba ingénieur on bazali très qualifié koleka pona kotongela yo ndako oyo ezali ekotikala immortel, inoubliable. Oh yes. D4 Construction vous propose aussi ba service local, luminosité à bâtiment et éclairage public, installation de vidéos de surveillance, installation de systèmes d'alarme anti-intrusion pour véhicules et maisons. Adamu tukanayo bakoki kotiela yo alarme moko ya suka. Oh yes, olingi talo ya pété, car D4 Construction eza offrir pas prix moko très abordable opoki ko négocier yango futaka ndambo oyo sengoteur. D4 Construction mwana Congo mboke bongi yaka D4 Construction ayekopesa yo opportunité ya kopongisa avenir na yo, bokoko na yo, vieillesse na yo. D4 Construction bambolama.
L'agence d'export et d'import Michelo Atlantic Shipping et bana ya Canada, bana ya USA, bomitungisa lisusu te. Pour tous vos achats et ventes de voitures, pièces de rechange et les accessoires possibles, na koti na ba koli na bino na Kinshasa, bomitungisa penza te. Please, bakoya koza koli tina ndako. Pour tout contact, benga Michel Lukadi. Plus 1 508 371 60 43 USA na Canada. Pour la Kinshasa, benga na plus 243 89 551 30 38. Michelo Atlantic Shipping. Yaboye, bazu wapi. Bana ya Dallas, bana ya États-Unis mobimba. DHL et na système ya Buka lelo, Lamba lelo. Bokota, l'air est grave. DHL, garantie assurée. Naba primoko, nanu ezalate. Tinda kolina yo na Kinshasa, tona Afrique mobimba. Livraison à domicile dans 3 jours. Samba Senga, bongo ya livraison. Bapos Kutu Ekosa et Koma Kimpiato. DHL, Omeki, Okangami. DHL, Salamumbongo na yo à 200%. DHL, Otindi mardi, Otindi mercredi, Otindi jeudi, Otindi lisusu mukolekoya. DHL, Duroyo et Nyati Bangonion surtout. Pour tout contact, benga mwana mboka, Yale Financial Service, situé sur l'adresse 2821 Brown Trail, Bedford, Texas. Pour tout contact, appelez au numéro 972 890 87 81. Service d'accueil assuré.
Solution et mon ami, toujours travailler sur la DHL. Donc, les alliés garantis, toujours à lundi jusqu'à vendredi, vous avez votre colis, vous passez ici, toujours à un carton, juste l'idée sur les cartons que nous avons. 3 jours, 4 jours, et comme à Kinshasa. Et qu'on compte jusqu'à 10 pounds. Autant d'ici Yango, prix est garanti 3 à 5 jours, et comme Yango sans problème.
We're super excited to bring it to the Congolese community. We have 4 different sizes of boxes. It's reliable, fast service there within 3 days, and we have a really good competitive price.
Chez Yale Financial Services, solution et monanier.
Bienvenue chez Aïdor Show, fidèles internautes, chers téléspectateurs, à vous tous qui nous suivez de partout à travers le monde sur www.com Promo TV de votre Rafengindo et boss depuis Dallas. Comprenez, nous sommes bel et bien en Afrique du Sud, précisément dans la ville de Johannesburg, dans votre émission Aïdor Show, une émission culturelle qui est présentée par votre humble serviteur Aïdor Bokwala, votre Amadi le Brésilien de la presse. Vous voyez super bien derrière moi, dans mon background, comme les Anglais disent. Pourquoi Aïdor Bokwala est ici? Super bien qu'Aïdor Bokwala est là sur le terrain. Un événement, un très grand événement de Roi Manitou. Roi Manitou, je pense que vous comprenez bien et vous savez super bien qui est Roi Manitou. Roi Manitou, c'est un champagne qui est fabriqué par un Congolais au nom de Ludovic Biart. Ils sont en train d'ouvrir une bouteille de champagne Roi Manitou et on va un peu tester, de voir si Roi Manitou, ça va faire something. Yo, how are you?
Finding yourself.
I'm very good, thank you so much. What's your name?
Shayna.
Where you from?
South Africa.
South Africa?
Yeah.
Wow, me too, I'm from South Africa, I'm closer.
You're from?
Sangbonan.
No.
Yo, on est ensemble. Cool. Yo. Yeah, let's taste. Yo, where's my glass? Can you use this one? Cool. Yeah. Là, on est en train de tester un peu les champagnes Roi Manitou. De savoir, oh, yes, it's fine for me, yeah. Cool. Again. It's... I can't believe it. Again, no, it's fine. Thank you so much. On ensemble. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. So they go to watch us everywhere, all over the world. And what I go to tell them
About the champagne.
The champagne Roi Manitou.
It's a divine brut, and it's very crisp. It's a fresh flavor. It sits so nicely on your tongue. I'm sure you can taste that. Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful champagne.
You don't lie. You're right. Again, talk again.
I cannot. I've already sold the brand the best I possibly could. It's a perfect balance of a brut that just sits so nicely on the tongue, on the palate.
Okay. Thank you so much, Suri.
Nadine.
Very beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So what's going on here tonight?
Well, I think it's...
Yeah, in your table, because they only told me about their table. So what is in your table? What is this?
responsible for the list, the tickets, and yeah, the VIP, general, and VVIP. That's it.
I mean, those who bought their ticket when they came here before they gone in, they came here. Then you guys give them this thing.
Yeah, that's what we do.
So what you can say about Roi Manitou, this champion? Waïcha, comprenez? Patron, comment vous allez? Justement, on va nous suivre les paroles à travers le monde, spécialement sur Congo Promo TV. Can you please introduce yourself?
Moi c'est top modèle, Doris Kalala Dimani.
Dimani, Obogana Sango, il est là. On vous a vu ici très bien habillé.
Merci.
Yeah.
Pour comprendre, un bleu, tu as vraiment l'anime toi.
Non problème. Maintenant, on va taper sur le monde entier, ou peut-être Balingabe, Champagne Roi Manitou. Un mot à tous les Congolais. Ou ba moni biso awa parce que n'a pas toujours mille fois Roi Manitou ezali champagne oyo ils ont ça la fierté d'abord pour ne pas seulement dire pour les Africains qu'on voit un Congolais avec tous ces genres d'initiatives pour mettre en beaucoup comme on a siko organisation menée aujourd'hui pour nous représenter par africain Roi Manitou. Un mot par rapport à cela.
Bon en fait comment dirais-je échelon mais les lots on est là en réalité ça a pris du temps force, moyen. Alors Dieu merci, on est là, tout célébrer moi quoi, Kalami déjà Kalami coûte comment déjà global, international, voilà quoi. Merci.
Demani, thank you so much. Doris et Kalala. Lui c'est Doris Kalala. Demani, venez. Bonsoir Jeff Wimpton. Très bien habillé. Je manque de mots. Un mot par rapport à cette soirée.
Bon, Ndingo Yebi, donc Ndingo Yebi, Nazaki, j'étais au Congo, donc Nakoyaki Lobby, en Afrique du Sud, pour
les images.
Donc, il fallait pas rater. Donc, Naza a poto là. Ah ouais.
Maintenant, tout le monde, organisation est tellement super. Juste un mot à ces compatriotes congolais, Ndeko Lokolayo, Congolais Lokolayo, totalement caméra. Oyo a pensé que ça la champagne comme le champagne mondial pour te rater champagne africaine moi un mot et ça la nengenine.
Bon na linka ndeko na biso vraiment ba support donc ba soutenir ndeko na biso Roi Manitou donc biso nyos to ça simanaye donc les produits na biso ba consommer ngo.
Merci beaucoup Jeff Oupi, très bien habillé. Okay, ça c'est ce qu'on appelle l'excellence. Maman, how are you? Can you talk please? No, it's fine. We're just talking. You look very good. I love it. Your dress and this color as well. What's your name? Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I am Tabisile Zikali.
Where are you from?
I'm from Durban originally, but I stay here.
How's Durban?
Durban is amazing.
Sangbonani.
Sangbonani.
Yebo. Gunza.
Ninjani Tsagwini.
Nyapila yebo.
Siapila.
Uvulele.
What did you
I don't know. I just heard people say Uvulele, Pezulu, Pambile. Yeah.
Let's do something really fun. Teach me one word in French.
In French, I just said bonsoir à tout le monde.
Bonsoir, le
Bonsoir à tout le monde.
Bonsoir à tout le monde.
You to teach me one word then. I'm saying.
Nike pinamhlanje.
Nike pin Ambushani. Ah,
you did better than me.
Okay, that was sweet. Okay, to go to watch us all over the world. Do you ever some one word about the champagne and Roi Manitou?
Oh my goodness, I don't even drink alcohol, but I think it's such an amazing brand because my friend is part of it, and I'm so excited to be here today. Yeah, let's have fun.
Thank you so much. Aujourd'hui, c'est le Congo qui gagne, non, c'est l'Afrique qui gagne, parce que Roi Manitou, le champagne qui gagne, et nous sommes des gagnants. Yes, I'm okay. So that means I already have my Roi Manitou. That means today we are here for that. So we are proud, like I always say, that we are proud to say I'm from Africa. When I see my brother from Africa to make all those things, that means Africa will still go forward.
All right, so let me ask you something. Who designed this beautiful suit for you?
I think my mind. I can say my mind. So me and I.
Wow, all right, you look handsome today.
You too. I love your dress. It looks like this flower.
Let me show you how I look.
Yeah. Show me. Yo, are you a model?
Of course, you can see. Why are you asking me?
Yeah, because you look like a model and you're beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So we're all calling you wherever you are. You must know that Roi Manitou is one of the best champagne in the world. I'm so proud because people that didn't know Roi, it means king in English, but in French, Roi. C'est Roi.
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 Roi. I'm so sorry. I'm a typical Zulu, so hey.
That's fine. By the way, so we are proud to be this night here and to see our brother from Africa made these things. That means we need to support each other. Because
what you just said is so true. I feel like as black people, we don't want to support each other. What is our problem? You know, it's
yourself. Ask me and ask them as well. Ask ourselves a question: why we don't support each other? What's going on with us?
Let me ask our viewers out there: why don't we support each other as black people? What is wrong with us?
I don't know. They said it.
On the red carpet, she looks amazing today. How are you, ma'am?
Good, and you? I'm feeling so fabulous tonight.
I am great. So who designed this beautiful outfit for you?
Well, most of the time I design the outfit myself. Obviously, you know, I need to accommodate my body. I need to be comfortable. So they said glam, and I try to be glam.
Oh, you do look glammed up. All right, so what are you doing here today?
Well, I'm attending the Roi Manitou. Well, excuse my pronunciation, but I'm attending this glamorous event. You know, I was invited by my friend and I thought I could not miss it for the world. Yeah.
Have you tried the champagne?
Champagne is lovely. Oh my word, it's so crisp. You know, I enjoyed it. And definitely, this is going to be my bottle of choice for this festive season.
All right, do have fun today, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us on the red carpet.
Really appreciate it.
This amazing couple here joining us on the red carpet, guys. How are you all doing today?
We're doing well, thank you.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm pretty excited, actually. Yeah.
So what's your name?
My name is Khotato. Yeah.
And what are you doing here today?
I'm actually here for the launch. Really pretty exciting, isn't it?
What are you doing here today?
I'm also here to taste the champagne. I mean, it's a new champagne on the market, so we're all excited to, you know.
So you guys haven't tried the champagne yet? Why? Why? Guys, no.
You should be asking them. I don't like. It's the first time I'm coming here, so yeah.
What about you, ma'am? Why haven't you tried the champagne yet?
Trying to be in the moment. I want to experience it here, you know, not there. Like I want to, yeah, real-time experience. Yeah.
Thank you.
That's it. I'm proud of this guy because he's from Congo DRC. He's one of the best actors. So he's the guy. When I saw him here, I'm very happy. I know right now all the Congolese who to watch him, they know that Joe is there. You know his name, no?
Yes.
Joe Kazadi. He's from Congo. You know that?
Yes.
How do you know he's from Congo?
I know.
How you know?
Everyone knows him. Come on.
That's good. Ok. On a un event à Lelo. Il y a plein de Congolais qui vont nous suivre de partout à travers le monde. Qu'est-ce que tu peux leur donner comme message provenant de Joe Kazadi? Hein?
Tout ce que je peux dire est que qu'on le supporte et aussi les gens qui font les mariages et les fêtes pouvaient venir acheter ou bien acheter ça en ligne et c'est bien parce que c'est un autre frère congolais qui fait quelque chose comme ça et on connaît qu'on n'a pas beaucoup de gens qui sont en train de faire des choses comme ça, alors il faut qu'on le supporte et je connais bien que l'argent aussi restera au Congo, alors...
Merci beaucoup. Là déjà je profite de cette occasion de demander à Roi Manitou qui va suivre cette interview. Jo, c'est vraiment la fierté de nous les Congolais natifs en Afrique du Sud. Il passe partout dans les channels du en Afrique du Sud. J'aimerais vraiment un jour de voir Roi Manitou en train de supporter Jo Kazadi. Là vraiment c'est une demande que je demande au sein de tout team de Roi Manitou et pourquoi pas à vous-même Ludovic Biart. Je pense que le message est passé.
Merci beaucoup.
On est ensemble. Donc, Mama?
Next guest on the red carpet is the beautiful Kamo. We all know her as one of the best female presenters. Kamo, how are you doing today?
One of, I'm the best. I'm joking.
Woo! Okay, my bad. The best presenter in South Africa.
Thank you very much. World. I'm pushing it, right? I'm sorry. I'm good, thanks to you. You look lovely.
Thank you so much. So who designed this beautiful dress for you?
Absolutely no one. This was just from my closet. I didn't know what to wear. I said I haven't worn this in a while, so bring it out. It's got some sparkles, so...
Right, so Kamo, tell me something. What are you doing here today?
So I was invited by a friend of mine, Joe, actually, who said, hey, you like champagne, darling. So let me invite you to an event where they're launching a cool champagne. And I said, okay, cool. I mean, I'm not going to say no to free champagne. So basically that's why I'm here, to taste the champagne.
So you haven't tried it?
I haven't tried it at all. But you know how it is in this alcohol business. Now you stick to what you know until someone puts you on. And tonight you guys are going to be putting me on.
You of all people haven't tried this amazing champagne. Kamo, I'm disappointed.
I give it as the first thing for everything. After this, I'll be hooked. I'll even Insta story it and I'll tag you.
Thank you so much, Kamo.
Just understand. Okay, today what I would like, can you just pronounce the word of this champion, the name of the champion, Roi Manitou.
Where is it?
Roi Manitou.
Roi Manitou.
Roi Manitou.
Roi Manitou.
Yeah, I think she got 10, right? But you got 5. 10 as well. She got 10 as well. Okay. I would like you to go and test your champion. What's your name?
Pearl Rose. I'm Pearl Rose from Pretoria East, Silver Lakes.
And you?
Umpi from Pretoria.
Pretoria. Oh, you come all the way from Pretoria. Oh, that's amazing. Can I give you a hug, please? Wow, I love it.
You honored the invite.
That's amazing. They come all the way from Pretoria. They are here. Can you imagine? People come from Pretoria, they are here already. Can you come at them, please? They come from Pretoria, come from far. Wow, I love it. What do you say, Ninjani? Ninjani, ne?
You guys look amazing. So tell me something. Who designed your beautiful dresses?
Well, mine is not just a person. I bought in a boutique, so it's not like a designer label or yeah.
You still look amazing. And then who designed your beautiful dress, ma'am?
I actually just bought it at a store.
Thank you for the honesty. So beautiful ladies, what are you guys doing here today?
Well, to celebrate, so we're here, so honoring the invite.
We honored the invite.
All right, so have you tried this amazing champagne?
It will be my first time. One of my friends, he told me about it, and I always say it on social media. So today, I'll taste the champagne for the first time.
All right, so I want us to do something really fun. I can't pronounce this word, by the way, but I want you to try and pronounce it for me, okay? So, can you start?
Roi Manitou.
Roi Manitou,
yeah.
Can you please tell them how to do it?
Roi Manitou.
Roi Manitou.
Yes. 8. Roi Manitou.
Roi Manitou.
Can I try?
You?
Roi Manitou.
10 to 10. That's amazing. So have you tested before?
No.
Not yet.
First time.
Oh, first time. Yeah. Merci d'être là. Yeah. On peut. How do I look?
Let me greet them in my language first, please. Sanbonani Ninjan.
Nyapela.
Yapila. Yebo. You see?
You guys look amazing today. What are you guys doing here?
Yes, this is the launch of
Ludovic Dimani demande un message à tous les Africains en général à propos de ces champagnes Roi Manitou.
Let me speak in English. I'm so comfortable speaking English.
I know you are sometimes we forget our language, but I'm sad, but it's fine. You can.
I really want to encourage everybody. This is we call it a black product. As we see, the whole world is turning black, meaning we consume black. So when we see Roi Manitou, it means power. So it's power in the champagne. So that's why we came, as powerful we are here to support the powerful champagne. And this will be the best champagne in Africa and in the world. I want to see this champagne going to America. I want to see it going to Europe. I want to see it in Asia. We all support this champagne all over the world. I will tell all my brothers all over the world, this is our brother's thing. We always buy all those other names. I don't want to call those names here. When we walk, we go fast and buy those ones. This is our brother own product. Let's support it. In our parties, our birthday, our weddings, let consume Roi Manitou.
Wow, what amazing words. Yo, can you hear that? You hear that?
Yes, powerful.
Powerful. Do you believe that?
Yes, of course I do believe that.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay.
Why aren't you happy, ma'am?
No, I am happy, very happy. Yeah, but I am not ready for an interview. So
how are you, sir?
I'm fine, thanks, and you?
What are you guys doing here today?
We're here to celebrate Roi Manitou champagne.
The champagne qui gagne. Yeah.
Have you tried the champagne? Have you tried the champagne?
Yes, this is my house champagne. I always try it every time, and all my party, so my champagne also will be there.
Have you tried this amazing champagne, ma'am?
Yeah, I have.
All right, thank you so much, ma'am.
Mwana changu mwana njili oyebi yango bien que JB service eza agence ya mwana njili mwana changu mais ozo sazade otina ba colis na ba chance moko boye banoti la colis mona 2004 ti le 2019 colis mo yate oyebi ke eza la même passe agence eza ka moko on a déjà mwana njili na Saint-Thérèse JB service ngamo na confirmer ngo po tini 10 colis 10 ans c'est commis et puis les autres les commenter mbala moko
papa nini za kulelisa yo JB service eza kaka wanekisa chate
mais ça ce soir
kuzanga kuibe jadi wewe mbimba JB service sokukena Brazzaville eza na kati ya Brazza bona batu bakamata biloko na bango na Brazzaville précisément eza à côté ya aéroport ya Maya terrain mokuza wana ya football modité maman dit ayenzila moko na biloko
maman dit oui naenzila mona biloko tokoma ilobi toza a pona vino tosa musala pona vino
anja mundelite mutu muindo azali congolais lokula yo na ngai
azali mutu muindo me makila mundele
José Bayila yango moni JB service mikolo ibatu bazoluba keleka papa foiseleo umida
igela coiffe ikote papa na Kerwan éternel Kenaya
Kanda taba ikote sensi
Nganda Taba
Fenenene
Nganda Taba chez Hugues la coiffe Ikote papa na Kerwan éternel Kenaya
Au
174 avenue Aristide Briand 93 320 les pavillons sous bois. À la petite porte à gauche, association Hugues Ikote. 01 41 55 0000. Ntaba Ikote.
The red carpet. How are you doing, ma'am?
Okay, and you, ma'am?
I'm amazing. So what's your name?
Bumi Huma, actually.
Have you tried this amazing champagne?
It's to die for. It's really nice. It blends so well. It's well balanced. I love it.
So where can I get it if I want to buy it? You don't know. So where did you get it from?
Well, it was a word of mouth, actually. You know, I came to the event. Yes, I was invited by a friend. I was like, okay, the Throne of Glam. I'm here and I'm tasting this wonderful champagne.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Là, on est très ravis de voir aujourd'hui une légende dans ce monde de business. Mon vieux Nozi Mwamba, le patron de Sankai Club. Là, il est là avec nous, à qui je dis bonsoir, Nozi. Sorry, just a few seconds. They will watch us all over the world. Juste aujourd'hui, can you please tell us your presence here?
C'est un grand plaisir. Nous sommes venus soutenir notre petit frère qui se lance dans une aventure qui n'est pas facile. Et c'est un grand plaisir pour nous.
Merci, j'ai juste un message pour adresser à tous ceux qui vont nous regarder par d'autres travers le monde. Juste un message à propos de ces champagnes Roi Manitou.
Je souhaite longue vie et beaucoup de succès à ce champagne que nous allons tous soutenir, bien sûr.
Merci beaucoup, Papa Nozi Mwamba. Je tiens à vous signaler que Papa Nozi Mwamba, c'est le patron des Sankai Club.
Model standing right next to me on the red carpet. How are you doing, ma'am?
I'm very well, thanks, and yourself?
I'm amazing. I don't know your name. What's your name?
I'm Leslie Ann.
And what are you doing here today?
I'm here to experience the amazing new champagne. It's absolutely incredible. I'm a Bubbles girl, so can't be an easy thing to get a big smile on my face, and it's put a really big smile on my face. It's incredible.
All right, I can see that you love champagne. I want you to do something really nice for me. I want you to pronounce the name of the champagne.
I even see it. I can't even see because of the lights. I can't even see because of the lights. Roy Manito.
Thank you so much. Do you have yourself? Do you have yourself some amazing champagne?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Joining me on the red carpet is this beautiful supermodel. How are you doing today?
I'm not a supermodel.
You are a supermodel to me. What's your name?
Naila.
Nice to meet you, Naila. What are you doing here today?
Well, I was invited by my friend KK, and I hear it's a launch of Roi Manitou, so I'm looking forward to hear all about it, and it's my first time. Yeah.
So have you tried this champagne?
No, absolutely. It's the first time.
All right. Thank you so much. Can you take a picture? Please stand here. Can you please take a picture? She's done. She's done. All right, so we have more guests joining us on the red carpet. Ninja and bosses.
Sapila.
Okay, Nabasa
We are from Alex, actually. Alexandra.
All right, so what are you guys doing here today?
Inviting to celebrate everyone and to celebrate MMC, the launching of it. So yeah.
All right, so I have something fun for you three ladies. I want you guys to pronounce the name of the champagne. I'm going to start with you.
It's Roy Manitou.
Okay, can you please try?
Roy Manito.
Woo, perfect.
If she was perfect, how am I going to beat that?
Please try.
I'm going to try. Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
It's Roy Mantua.
Sorry?
It's Roy Mantua.
Okay. Can you please be the judge?
She's the one. Because it's the Roi Manitou. Roi. Can you say it's Roi Manitou?
Roi Manitou.
Roi Manitou.
Roi Manitou.
Yeah, you get it. Have you tested before? Have you tested before?
Yeah, many times.
Wow, that's good. That's good. Today you go to test it again. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Guess what? What guys did you do by it?
We bought it from Amanda. There's a lady by the name of Amanda. She was promoting it by the kitchen at the 15th Avenue.
Okay, all our views right now. If you want the champion Roi Manitou, just go on Google Road, www.Roi-Manitou. We sell it online. So very soon we're going to tell you the place that you're going to find Roi-Manitou. Very soon. But in the clubs, they are everywhere. But if you want to buy it, just online, write Roi-Manitou. www.Roi-Manitou, you will get your champion. You can go test it. You guys look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. On est ensemble donc, nos guests continuent toujours de venir. Là on est avec nos invités qui sont toujours là. Yeah.
Alright, so we're looking to collaborate to immerse the sparkling wine in an advertising way that hasn't really been done for a brand like it before. Integrating it into a virtual reality environment and taking the consumer, like everybody here tonight, into where sparkling wine is actually made, and so taking them on a whole immersive experience really, as opposed to a form of just classical advertising. And we're really looking forward to the way that that's going to be integrated into the product. That's it.
Beautiful. So before you go, I want you to pronounce the name of the champagne. 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow!
Got it.
I get it well.
She's the only one that
That's a shout out. That's a shout out. Yeah. Can we get you pronouncing the name? I've just tasted the song of my first taste now, and I'm okay with that. I love it. I've always loved sparkling wine. It's always been my favorite. If someone's like red or white, I'm like sparkling.
So what's about to tell those of you who will watch us from
I could say to them, I think this is really going to change the game of brands produced in Africa, and I'm really looking forward to the way that it's
Good, my twin. That's cool. On est ensemble, we got together donc.
Sarol, comme on vous a dit qu'on est très ravis aujourd'hui d'être là dans cet event qui est organisé par Roi-Manitou, le champagne qui gagne. On est très ravis aujourd'hui de voir encore un homme qui est très bien habillé. On va savoir ensemble avec vous c'est qui la personne en question. I would like you to ask the question.
All right, so how are you doing today?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm amazing. You look absolutely amazing today. Who designed your suit?
This is Gabbana, billionaire, and yeah, take it simple, easy.
All right, I have an important question for you, sir. What inspired you to start such an amazing brand like this?
All right, to bring it to Africa, because in my mind we eat Europe, we drink Europe, we dress Europe, but it's about time African people do something great for themselves.
And what inspired you?
To empower Africa, because everything that you make goes back to Europe.
Okay, any words of encouragement for other people out there who'd like to be like you one day?
Yeah, to just focus and love what you do.
Thank you.
Sur Roi-Manitou, juste en français, pour ceux là peut-être qui n'ont pas compris anglais. Comprenez bien, lui c'est Roi-Manitou. Comme on a toujours dit qu'aujourd'hui, il va vraiment un peu nous éclaircir juste a few minutes à tous ceux là qui vont nous suivre des partout à travers le monde. Quel est le message provenant de la personne de Ludovic Billard?
Ouais, c'est juste pour encourager les Africains quoi. Et être un peu concentré, aimer ce que vous faites, l'amour du travail quoi. C'est ça.
Il y a des gens qui sont en train de se déranger de partout, vraiment à tout moment. Ils se sont dit, s'ils ont besoin de prendre Roi-Manitou, quels sont des points, des repères où ils peuvent trouver le champagne?
Alors, allez juste sur notre website www.roimanitou.com. Ils vont avoir tous les infos quoi. C'est simple. Tu peux acheter aussi en ligne et tout, voilà.
Merci beaucoup, très bien habillé.
Je t'en prie, merci.
Merci beaucoup. Comprenez-lui, c'est Roi-Manitou, coloïdologie. Donc,
bonsoir, voilà.
Comment il s'appelle?
Calme.
Tout ça, le numéro de ligne, la radio va français.
Anglais, non, surtout.
Everything. Okay, I'm so happy to see that. Okay, can you tell us what you're doing right now here?
Yeah, we just come to support Roi-Manitou. Yeah, Ludo. You know, we thought people that one day these things would go down. Yeah. So people was like, wow, so we did. So it's going down right here. Yeah. It's going down.
Have you tested before?
Come again?
Have you tested before?
What?
What's the question?
This is my drink, man.
I know, that's why I'm asking a question.
No.
I know, that's why I'm asking a question.
Yeah, this thing's sweet, though. Yeah, you know, when you drink this thing, you know, when you drink Romani too, you know, in the morning, you cool, and then, you know, that side of the bed, and you're good too. You know what I'm talking about.
You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? So, all the viewers, they go to watch us everywhere, all over the world. What's going to tell them about this champion Romani too?
No. The first one I can say that this champagne is a Congolese idea. Good. Yeah, Ludovic Romani too is a.
Have you heard that?
Yeah, Ludo. First of all, Ludo is a Congolese guy. You know, in Congo there's no a Congolese guy who come with this kind of idea. So what I can say that is not made just for Congolese. I know that it to go around the world. Yeah, but I call our brothers and sisters in the first line to support the brothers. You see? So we call them to support the brothers. But we know and we are expecting that Romani too we go and we sell it everywhere around the world. Because we're there for that.
I believe it.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much. This is the Romani's brother.
Yeah.
Yeah,
this is for CBR, right?
CBR, yeah, right, yeah. We are happy. Sorry, hello. I would like you to speak to my twin.
All right, so how are you doing today?
Very well, thanks, and how are you?
I'm amazing. So what are you doing here today?
Well, I'm here to support, you know, this is actually it's a family business, you know, and I'm really proud that it's one of us who's actually brought a good brand in the world, you know. I mean, we're giving him all the support we can and then encourage him to do best and for the brand to do best. I mean, that's all I can say for now. I mean, it's a best champagne. Actually, I don't drink, but I'm here to support. You know, it means a lot to us. You know, I mean, as Congolese, seeing one of us doing it, I mean, yeah, we stand as unite.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Alex.
From Alex, from South Africa, right?
Yeah.
So they go to watch us over the world. So, yeah, you look very sexy. You are amazing. What's your name?
Hello. I'm Zoe.
Yeah, you look beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Are you a model?
Yeah, I am a model.
You are. Okay, cool. That's sweet.
And
So,
I'm here to enjoy the Roy Manichi.
Romani champion.
Yes.
When you test it, how do you feel it?
I can feel like 5 bubbles actually.
Yeah.
It's quite nice. Very
It's not, right?
Very nice.
So what are you going to tell all those viewers that will watch us all over the world?
Okay, let me tell you one thing. This is the best champagne ever.
Wow. Alors, vous comprenez, les Sud-Africains sont en train de confirmer Romani too. Non seulement des Congolais, mais les Sud-Africains. J'ai voulu bien te mettre tout dans le parking. Hein? Déjà, ok, Babina a déjà besoin de parking. Donc, parking est tellement inondé. Moi, encore une fois, je dis et je le répète, Romani too, meilleur champagne du monde. Je suis fier de dire que je suis Congolais. Aïdor beaucoup, on va tellement moutoua tembe. Mais si on a eu le avec faut qu'on filme à la réalisation, juste pour nous confirmer exactement ce qui évidemment Baba Gnam au Salam au Salam. Et j'ai vite compris que Romani too c'est pas seulement champagne pour des Congolais, mais c'est pour les Africains. Pas seulement pour les Africains, pour tout le monde. Donc, tout bazar concerné, tout bazar être humain ou à l'école, bazar censé y a remettre bon champagne Romani too. Je pense que na 4 coins on a DJ Mapolisa, à ça on habite, il y a tellement de grandes stars sud-africaines autour remarqué pour l'instant on le awa juste pour honorer ce champagne Romani too. Toujours promettre que ton la ça vraiment que le Rosali, les pour les Africains et on est proche de toi. Ba mindele bazaya mo social lo mindele bo na mindele a soutenir mindele. Au soutenir on consomme purement africain. Donc je manque de mots. Romani too. Ah ya bouisa la raté. Soirée parking tout le monde a Kabasula, tu as combien? Tu as plus de 300 cars aux a parqués, 300, je dis bien 300 VIP cars aux a parqués, on a 300 VIP cars. Bah car il y a danger. On va foutre balle dans VIP $50 pour entrer dans la soirée lilo. Il y a Bouisa la raté. Il y a Bouisa la raté. Vraiment, c'est ma toute première fois d'assister dans ce genre de soirée. Nous avons organisé par un Congolais. Il faut tellement beaucoup. Bon bah ouais, il doit beaucoup ça mingolien mo. Attends la lien mo, ça s'appelle le rotek. Aux importants ça qui Romani too ne makambo.
bitch, you're not gonna be offended. You know it's okay. So when I go, yes, 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 you say, yes, bitch, yes, yes, bitch, yes, 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 yes,
Yo, I'm just trying to get my paper, honey. I'd rather be crying in a Ferrari than being with a broke, you know? I like to get my nails clean. I want a 32-inch weed bag. I mean, yeah. Hey, drop that booty down, bring it back around. Gotta let them know who the baddest hotel. Booty fucking wow, put it on the ground. Hey, 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 no, yes, 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 yes.
You guys are dope. I'm gonna get my money back, oh. I got the maid. Thanks, honey. Hey, 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 I be on the road, nigga. Find me when I'm money and the fire before, nigga. Shit, then I'm like, you're my they told me to get him, I told him I got it. Now it's amazing when you come apart. Nice kicks, I got a couple, whoa. And all these awards, I gotta stack it. I gotta sell cups, I gotta fill it up. I got my mom dance, I need my money back. They gotta burn it up, gotta fill it up. You get to dine it, then I'm gonna lie to you on the phone.
C'est très important, je ne sais pas Ming à propos de Roi Manitou. Roi Manitou, c'est bon champagne. Nous avons mouette. Nous avons champagne ou cher. Tu es bien dans tout ma boîte. Nous avons Roi Manitou. Mais Roi Manitou, la différence c'est comment? Roi Manitou, c'est bon champagne aux alibons fabriqué par notre frère africain qui est congolais au nom de Ludovic Biard. Donc il y a une champagne Roi Manitou. Donc la soirée elle est là. Tu as une bonne soirée VIP. Donc je dis un grand merci déjà à tout le monde à présent. Bah, Congolais, tu as qu'à moi 3. Il y a Nozi Mwamba, Rayon Solaire, le patron de Sankai, et puis DJ Kims Charles Mboka, le seul et le vrai DJ congolais, que moi je dis et je le reconfirme encore. Donc Aïdor Moko la base qui on a pour représenter valablement tous les journalistes congolais vivant en Afrique du Sud. Donc je dis un grand merci à Ludovic Biart et puis à Roi Manitou le champagne qui gagne. Il y a Boye Zala Mingité. Donc Mingi to beta c'était Roi Manitou champagne il y a communauté parce que les autres se confondent un peu. Pense que Roi Manitou pour na congolais oh communauté non. Roi Manitou champagne mpona batu nyonso aux sud-africains, aux malawites, aux indiens, aux éthiopiens, aux français, aux belges, aux londoniens, aux américains. Roi Manitou est là pour nous tous. Donc juste là, comme je vous avais dit, vous avez montré au début, vous en avez pour ça Roi Manitou, peut-être pour nous Oda, pour nous vous en avez pour ça aux Roi Manitou. Juste là, tout ça là, juste vente online. Au Betikaga 3 w.Roi Manitou au Salabongo Odanayo, Bako Delivayo, Champagne Roi Manitou. Encore une fois, un grand merci à Ludovic Biart, l'homme de l'initiative Nenge Mokondambo Kalobaki. Président Moura Côté Sika, président Fatih, Azan a pour ça initiative via bien. Et c'est un Congolais qui est comme toi, Congolais, qui est comme moi, Congolais. Il a bien pensé, il y a aussi la brand de Tobé Markenaye, Roi Manitou, Azon mérité sa pote Nabiso. Je dis vous dites bye bye. Laissez-moi vous retrouver au prochain numéro, pardon. D'ici là, portez-vous bien avec Roi Manitou, le champagne qui gagne. Bye.
Bongo te Willie, bongo te tokaye, ma jolie na lelie. Ah Willie toka, na sengi pardon, kosala bongo te. Bana Congo, bandeko na ngai tout. Je vous demande de vous abonner, Bosomba Décodeur wana, mbambo pona kotala babiloko tout ya mboka pour vous alla informer à l'heure. CPLA TV, na bandeli CPLA TV, Décodeur à CPLA TV, ma chaîne tout ya Kinshasa, ma chaîne tout ya Congo, ma chaîne belé bouquet na tout sur les nyonso, ba clip tant aux autres na bozota. Donc ba information nyonso ya mboka, ya politique, ya culture, ya sport, ya santé, ya nyonso. Donc voilà, idéologie à CPLA TV.